How to fix ChatGPT access denied. So the first step is to go and open your browser, any browser that you use. In the search bar, type in chatgpt.com. If you are using Google Chrome, go to the three dots on the top right, click on Settings, and in this page, you need to go to Privacy and Security, which can be seen on the left panel. After that, click Cookies and Other Site Data. Next, scroll down to the option See All Site Data and Permissions. Click on that. And then type in OpenAI or ChatGPT on the search bar here. This result will appear, and all you need to do is clear the cache by clicking on the garbage bin icon here. So that is how to fix ChatGPT access denied. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.